pretty stoked.
Oh yeah, I'm saying judging off the gearing and have about 400 foot-pounds of torque.
400, dude. V twin set of Strat.
Yeah,
it's a Stratocaster,
and it has
iron cylinder, dude.
How many valves? 28. It's a Cummins.
It's a Cummins.
It's their gas version.
Dude, slap. Should we let them hear a little preview of it before we?
Nah,
just charge it up.
Yeah.
Then just let them hear it coming. Like, what is that? A train? And then Blake. Flat.
Everybody, hide your females.
Yeah, for real, dude. This thing can haul a lot of them. This thing can haul some bitches, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's got plenty of mullet space in the back.
Oh my. I need this.
Dude, basically, this is the only mini bike that's appropriate for that mullet of yours.
This is just, look, you see what that is?
Stripper pole?
Yeah.
I knew it was.
Oh,
I knew it was, dude. I thought you were going to slip it.
Or else they can manhandle me.
Uh-oh.
5'5".
Some of them get aggressive. Some of them Texas girls are aggressive.
Oh, yeah.
And they like to pull hair.
Oh, they do.
That's why you didn't have a mullet with the last one. She just kept tearing it out.
Yeah, I had to.
All natural.
I had to pretend like I had a ponytail. Not in public.
It was easier to dodge with just the one pony than it was like, there's a lot of surface area for a pissed off woman to grab, dude.
There is.
It's kind of like a lizard's tail. It just doesn't come off and it hurts like a son of a bitch.
Yeah, it don't grow back neither.
I know for a fact those lizards hurt when you pull their tails off because Blake's doesn't come off and it hurts like a son of a bitch.
It does. It hurts. People
and if
think
it tore
fake
off
all the time.
Somebody swapped the intake for a 383 stroker intake. So I just want to prepare y'all for that.
That was me.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah.
He snuck. I heard somebody rumbling around out here.
High rise.
Got our Earl. That's clean for a diesel.
For a diesel, that's you know what? That's fresh.
Yeah,
we're gonna do that after 2 minutes.
We're gonna have to change it probably though in an hour or so. Let's throw this puppy on, dude, and we'll just send it, I guess. That was a quick tune-up, boys. Now she's ready to race. An old owner cut the fender.
Hell yeah,
dude, slapping with forward and reverse. Dude, so what the hell? I got the brake and you got the throttle.
Yeah, dude.
No, we ain't working together on this. Like,
the brakes won't work.
No, I need to get in here and you need to ride in the bed.
There is no brakes.
Nuh-uh. There's no brakes? Does that? You better hold the camera then. That's reverse.
Reverse out. Burn out. Watch that gas can. That was a close one. Oh shit. Ow.
Ghost rode it. So I'm gonna be real with y'all. This one ain't gonna be for sale till paid. And we're fixing the header now. Then what we plan on with this wicked exhaust is chopping them, running them through here, up out of the bed, dual stacks. Then get that stripper pole mounted back up and fill this thing full of beer. And when y'all see us at Pate, freaking dual rear disc brakes. For real, you know, I'm gonna break this thing down for you like true style, and then Blake's gonna tell you what he knows about it. Apparently he's been studying up on it and he knows some stuff about this I don't know. Check this out, Blake. Get a zoom in on this.
Oh wow.
When you're doing camera stuff, I'm gonna call you Jake so that people think, you know, we moved up a little bit.
Yeah, and hired a
So
cameraman.
when you're holding the cameraman, your name's Jake. Blake will be here later. Jake's holding the camera.
Yep, that's me, Jake.
I'm Jake. It's my own. Don't you assume my gender. Cast iron bore. Them's cast iron cylinders. Look how she fire up. Come on.
Wow.
Now,
Look at that turbo spin.
We fixed the exhaust leak. The header just popped out and it was a little messed up. But this is all pretty much factory. Boys, you're looking at something that's damn near 50 years old. Might already be 50. In
They ain't make it.
6 years, she's gonna be 50. It's got the dump bed. We didn't even have to go through the carb. We pulled the pancake off the top, choked her a couple times, and that old Edelbrock, it fired right up. So it's got reverse. I'll give you my little modest demo here. Got the Polaris brakes. I don't know if I'm in reverse or forward. Okay. That's a lot of force. Like, you don't want to play around with the throttle. You don't want to steer. If it's the sharpest turning side by side in the game, you're not going to find a side by side that is as accurate. I could totally ride that if it wasn't limited slip.
Yeah.
We're going to weld up. Blake said something about the spider gears and some other mods he's going to do. He wants to put some stacks on it. I agreed with that one. For Peyton's going to need... Oh, at Peyton, because this ain't for sale, boys. But at Peyton, she's going to be full of ice and beer. And you're going to have to trick for a treat. So, I mean, you guys show them or whatever. We'll give you... Do you want to dip in? I see his ass. Throttle cable broke? No!
Dude, we're stuck out here.
I know. Did it come off the carb or did it come off the...
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah. All right, we'll do the video here. He broke the throttle cable trying to go ham on it. You let a guy on something, you know? You know?
Don't let this thing fool you. This ain't for hauling limber. This is for hauling straight pussy.
Yeah. Haul is a 70s term for
Come
puss.
back here and look.
You used to get a haul.
First of all, it's equipped with a stripper pole.
You took the pole off.
Or you can even put in a sex chair from like a bass boat, because those are all equipped with sex chairs. This right here, after you get done, you can drop them bitches off quick, fast and in a hurry before they can even say, "What's your phone number?" or "I'm pregnant." But yeah, this thing is just fully equipped with just about everything you could think of.
And there's plenty of mullet room in the back.
Oh yeah, I got a mattress just ordered coming in. I'm gonna be popping out babies left and right out of this bitch.
Back on the throttle.
There's a baby. It don't take me long to make one either. About 2 minutes tops.
Tops. That's getting
Unless
undressed
I've had
and dressed.
whiskey, then you can just consider it not happening.
Oh, no. But entertain yourself if you like.
Yeah, but y'all see that? That's 16 valve. That's way better than the 12 valve Cummins.
It's where this is a rescue mission now.
Yeah. God dang.
It wasn't easy climbing the hill the first time.
We're gonna put out a SOS.
Yeah.
Smoke signal.
I don't blame
By the way, this ain't water. This is vodka.
Yeah, Leahy trick.
Yeah.
Hell, I think I taught him that back when I was with Tammy.
Actually, you know what? This is vodka. Half tequila, half vodka.
That's all I had.
Yeah,
and it's flammable. Don't shake it.
It ain't all I have. That's all I get.
Don't worry, boys. We fixed her. We're getting home. Let me just put on the cruise. All right, aim us home. I don't know if we're in forward or reverse.
We ain't in no gear yet.
Oh, okay. Damn, I need my other handle. Hey guys, appreciate you watching. I mean, all in all, this thing's pretty cool, man. I mean, for what I paid for it, it was definitely worth the money. And I wouldn't call it a mini bike, you know, because it's got 3 wheels. Same kind of power plant. Look at that front end. That ain't a mini bike. It's a mini trike. So, okay, so just let me have that. It's a mini trike. At Pate, when you see us out there, come holler at us, man. We'll have a cold one for you. You're definitely going to be able to hear us coming because the straight headers on this thing is going to be ridiculous. We just fixed the exhaust leaks. So she's pretty quiet now. She's pretty damn quiet. We fixed the headlight. I got a throttle cable coming. It's an awful long one, but I'll get that done. And basically all I did yesterday was I pulled the metal cable out of the housing so that we could pull it to get her back home. So you guys be sure and like and subscribe, and when you see us out there rocking on this thing, you know, give us a holler. It's gonna be fun.